Hello, what's up YouTube people, welcome back to MP World and welcome to another video on my channel. In this video today I'm going to unbox the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, and this is the most desirable color, the natural titanium one. And I will unbox this, and this is the Singapore variant phone. This phone is having one physical SIM card and one eSIM. Now let's open it. And before opening this phone, I want to mention one thing. You can check this seal through laser light. So if you reflect the laser light on this seal, and this seal will reflect the Apple logo and the QR code, and it will be mentioned over the seal. So now let's open it, and I hope this color is really nice because this is the natural titanium and the most desirable color. So it was very hard to get it, and the thing is the finishing. Here you can see the finishing is totally awesome. Like the side is it is the action button, and another identical change is the display, and the rear glass is curved. For this reason you will get the extra comfort to grab the iPhone. Now as you can see, the charging cable is not the regular lightning cable. Now it's type C, and this cable is not made by rubber. Now it's made by rope, which is really good for the environment. And now let's check the book. Here, this is the manual book and the instruction book, SIM ejector pin, Apple sticker, and these are the things. So this is the very regular thing. Now let's open the SIM tray. Basically there is no SIM tray in US variant, but this phone is the Singapore variant. That's why this phone is having the SIM tray. Now look at the phone, and this phone design is super smooth and very lightweight because of the titanium frame obviously, and very lightweight and easy to grab the phone. Now I will charge my phone with the MagSafe charger. I think MagSafe charger is very good for the battery, because for maintaining the 100% battery health I use my MagSafe charger. Thank you, that's it for today. And if you get any error with your iPhone 15 series, please drop a comments below.